For fine OR flat hair, Frieda Volume Lift Conditioner, with air silk technology, enhances fullness. Enhances volume in one use. Maximize the fullness of your hair with Volume Lift Full Style Hair Preparation. For color-treated hair, safe to use on color-treated hair to fight limp hair. Softens hair. Volumizing conditioner leaves hair soft with touchable movement and bounce. New packaging, presenting the new volumizing formula, formerly luxurious volume. Frieda Volume Lift Conditioner gently detangles, nourishes without weighing hair down. Formulated with air silk technology, our lightweight formula provides softness without compromising your voluminous style, for hair that moves freely. Volume Lift products are safe for color-treated hair and built to fight flat, fine hair. Satisfaction guaranteed. Limitations may apply. Top reviews from the United States. Really helps with snarls. My hair has always been prone to snarls. My mother complained about it when I was a little girl. This really makes it easier for me to brush after my hair is washed and dried. I was kind of amazed.